Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. You can understand that I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. For paid online consultation, you can definitely WhatsApp on 922681060. My dear friends, today we are going to take a drug review of the very important Ayurvedic generic medicines, that is Amalakyadi Churna. We will see the properties, we will see the contents, and we will see the uses. So Amalakyadi Churna is basically meant for gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. It's the best medicine for the acidity. So, my dear friends, are you struggling with the acidity? Are you struggling with the heartburn or that uncomfortable burning in your chest after meals? Yes. Then in Ayurveda, this condition is called as Amlapitta. And today we are going to talk about a powerful herbal remedy, that is Amalakyadi Churna or Amalakyadi powder, that naturally brings the relief for all of your acidity complaints. Let us look at what makes this Amalakyadi Churna so effective. Amalakyadi Churna or Amalakyadi powder contains Amla, Indian gooseberry, which is very good antacid. Chitrak, this herb stimulates the digestion and also tissue level metabolism. Pippali, this particular medicinal herb stimulates all types of metabolic processes. Hirda or Haritaki is known for Vatanulomana. Vata anulomana, that is making the normal peristaltic movements. Sandhava, that is the rock salt, which is a very good digestant. And Avalakati, which is anti-inflammatory in action. So, my dear friends, these are the contents of Amalakyadi Churna. You can see the different ingredients. This is the Pippali, this is the Amalaki, this is the Chitrak, and this is the Hirda. So, Amalakyadi powder is for acid reflux. Amlapitta or acid reflux is caused by an imbalance in pitta dosha, the fire element in our digestion process. When pitta is aggravated, it leads to the symptoms like nausea, vomiting, sore throat, heartburn, and anywhere, especially upper abdominal region, epigastric region, there will be abdominal pain. My dear friends, Amalakyadi powder is best for acid reflux, and this particular action is taking place in the following manner. First, Amalakyadi Churna cools and calms the stomach with the help of Amla. Second, herbs like the Chitrak and Pippali rekindle the digestive fire, helping your gut work efficiently once again. It also has a mild detox effect, flushing out the toxins and excessive bile in your liver or the GI tract. Amalakyadi powder not only provides the fast relief but also supports the long-term digestive health. So Amalakyadi powder for acid reflux can be taken like 2 to 3 grams 3 times in a day, probably with the warm water for the best results. If you are looking for natural Ayurvedic solution for acidity, Amalakyadi powder could be your go-to remedy. But here, let me clear one important fact. Ayurveda is always emphasizing to cure any disease is possible when probable causative factors are nullified. And for this acid reflux, there are two or three things one must remember, that each and every patient of acidity should modify their food and lifestyle, because if you are consuming the food which is provoking pitta dosha, your acidity problem will not be solved only with the Amalakyadi powder. So please stop taking the very hot, very spicy, pungent foodstuffs and also excessive sour and salty taste, because these all the taste makes the provocation of pitta dosha with hot and irritating property. Similarly, in your lifestyle, there should be a psychological modification in your temperament. If you are a person type of hot temper, or if you have the factors like jealousy in your mind, then it can be harmful to your acidity problem, because acidity is also connected with your mind setup. So my dear friend, this lifestyle modification is also important. If you are going to the bed late at night, that can also provoke the pitta dosha. Nevertheless, excessive screen time, looking mobile, looking television, looking, you are working with the computers till many hours of the day and even late at night, that can disturb your pitta dosha. So considering all these factors behind, then I can tell you that Amalakyadi powder will definitely help you, and that's why I wish stay healthy, stay balanced the Ayurvedic way. Now, in addition to that, let me clear some reminder of these causes of acid reflux disease. One, weak, low esophageal sphincter. The muscles between the esophagus and the stomach does not close properly, allowing acid to flow back. Another thing is obesity. Extra pressure on the abdomen can push stomach contents upward. So, my dear friends, if you are overweight, please try to control your weight. Hiatus hernia, part of the stomach, pushes into the chest, weakening this particular lower esophageal sphincters. Overeating or lying down after eating. So one must avoid lying down after eating. Eating late at night is dangerous for your acid reflux. Certain foods and drinks. Smoking, pregnancy, increased pressure and hormonal changes can trigger this acid reflux. Some medications like aspirin, ibuprofen, blood pressure medicines, and muscle relaxants that can cause, as a side effect, this acid reflux disease. Stress and lack of sleep can also worsen the symptoms. Now, let me have some tips for your acid reflux. Foods which is good for your acid reflux. Number one, oatmeal, banana, melons, apples and pears, that is non-citrus fruits, ginger, that is natural anti-inflammatory, green vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, spinach and cucumbers, brown rice and whole grains, lean proteins with chicken, turkey and fish, aloe vera juice, chamomile or licorice tea helps to soothing of stomach lining. Low fat yogurt or plant based yogurt in moderation can also help to relieve the problem of acid reflux. But here, these are the food items which are bad for the acid reflux. They can trigger or worsen the symptoms of acid reflux. They are spicy foods, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, tomatoes and tomato based products, onions and garlic, chocolates, caffeinated drinks like coffee, tea, cola, alcohol, carbonated beverages, fried and fatty foods, peppermint, full fat dietary products are not good for your acid reflux. My dear friend, this is all about Amalakyadi Churna. If anybody of you are suffering from physical or psychological health problem, Ayurveda Academy provides the paid online consultation. You can WhatsApp on 9226 at 10630. My dear friends, I always insist that is all my videos for educational purpose, and you have to take the advice of your family doctors as and when necessary. My dear friends, thank you very much. I wish you all the best. But before that, I may request you please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get interesting reviews of Ayurvedic medicines. I wish all the best. Take care, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.